Hi everyone, welcome back to the AWS series. So this is the continuation of my previous video. Actually, I want to showcase you how you can pass the value from the step function and those value will be used to the ETL job. So let me quickly start and here you can see that the code which we have inserted from my last education. So let me select this and delete this so that we can again push these records in our demo. So let me go to the step function first. All right, so this is my step function, right? Demo step functions. I am, yeah, it is loading for me and I'm click on edit. Okay, so going to code, and if you remember I have passed these value hard coded last time, right? So this time I will take this value from the step functions as a parameter and this ETL will take from there. So instead of this I am putting some code inside this. That will be, I am removing this, and so this is the way how you can get the dynamic parameter from the step functions. So this is a database name, table name and output path, and I'm going to save. That's it. All right, so now I am going to the state machine, demo step functions, and I will run this start executions. Okay, start executions, and this time I need to pass all these parameter from here, right? So now when I run the new execution, so here I'm going to paste the name. So this was the database name, that is my table name, and it is the output path. So let me run this execution. Start execution. All right, my execution has been started, and let me pause video for some time until it run because it will take some time. So now you can see that my step function ran successfully. All right, so let me go to the DynamoDB tables, okay, to see that it inserts the record or not. If you remember, I have deleted the record, yeah. So it has pushed the filter data to my DynamoDB. Okay, so this is the way how you can pass the dynamically parameter to the step function. But there is a one important thing that I want to explain you. So when these step functions will pass the parameters, you can go to the execution input and output. Here you can see these are the parameter we have passed, right? And this pass to the run crawler, right? So for crawler, these are the input parameters. So the next challenge is that how you can pass these parameter to the glue job. So I have added code for this. So if you see, this is a run crawler, and when you go to the run glue job, you will see these parameters. So now you can see that in the glue job as well, we are getting all the parameter included the crawler result, right? So if I go to the edit state machines, so what I have added for this, so that it pass all the parameter from one step to another step or one state. So you can go to the code, and this is the miracles. I have stores the result under the result path like crawler result, and again I have passed to this, and it will automatically pass to glue job, and I have also stored the glue result into the result part dollar dot. So this is the way how you can pass the parameter from one step to another step in the step functions. So that's all for this video. This video basically explain how you can pass the parameters with various steps in the step function. So that's all for this video. Please do like, subscribe and comment, and click on the notification icon if you like such kind of video. Thank you very much.